Hello everyone, my name is Nandi. I am from first year EC branch. Startup company name is Electron. Product present name electric water heater. Product proposed name Eco Heatgen. Empathizing mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. Improved safety features and compact versatile design. Future electric heaters may become even more energy efficient, reducing electricity consumption while maintaining or even improving the heating performance and improve safety features like automatic switch off machine. Defined based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers may many few features are added to be exciting product. Existing product name electric water heater. Futuristic product name Eco Heat Gen. Edit. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Installation, maintenance and repairs. Monitoring and diagnostic. Automatic safety features and control by mobile. Space saving design and noise reduction. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of presentation video to comment your opinion satisfying the testing stage. Thank you.